Okay, what you gonna do there?
Okay, so
What's
last
wrong?
few days the door started to be a bit dodgy to open, and
Yeah.
finally yesterday it broke,
Mm-hmm.
and now I buggered it, but
You need to
so I can
open it.
only open it from the inside.
Yeah.
So I got online, there's a tutorial, I found out there's a plastic bit of crap in here, breaks, and so we haven't got a new one, but what I thought I'd do, I'd swap one from the rear door.
What's that plastic? Ah.
So this little plug here, right, 20. Alright, that works. So apparently you unscrew that and it shouldn't come right out, because if it does it'll fall into the cavity, then we're doomed. Alright, so let me put this. We might have, so then apparently this comes out, which it does very easily, and then do that, and that comes out. Well, that's simple. So what broke? I guess what I should do is take the back one off, because it's not broken, and see what the difference is.
Yeah, all right. Same deal. Remove the cover there.
Well, I was so excited, I thought it was going to be so easy.
And then screw the Allen key, the torque, the Allen key.
Not torque screw, yeah. Is that? Let's see if that's enough. All right. Oh yeah, look, it just goes into that dimple
Yeah.
there to lock it in. Okay. Now, just hold the door from open. So what's different there? Oh, the bloody gasket's coming out. It's still engaged, so
Yeah.
there it is. Oh, the whole lot fell down.
Oh my God. What happened
Let me
there?
get past that. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oops. What went
Just let
wrong?
me have a look. Oh, no, the whole bloody thing fell down.
Yeah. Right there. You gonna put it there? Huh?
Well, I don't know. That slides back. Oh, God, my nuts. Oh, no. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, God. Let me see if it opens the door.
Wind all the window down so it's easy access to grab the thing.
I don't think that was broken like we thought it was going to be broken. It still doesn't work.
So we stuff off 2 doors.
Well, I'll put the tray back here. Yeah, so that don't work at all. So
No.
this wasn't broken.
Nah.
And now the whole mechanism has fallen down inside the door.
Yeah. Okay, so what you gonna do there?
Well, because the other day when we were messing around with this door handle,
Yeah.
released that when I took that out, the whole mechanism fell down inside, which it didn't on the front one, so I don't know. So what we're doing, we're taking off this, they call it a card, but the door liner, we've got to remove it, get the mechanism back up so we can bolt it up, so we can, the door operates from the inside, but obviously we can't put the handle back on the outside.
So how to remove it?
Well, I just watched the instructions and it said just pop this out.
Well, this is the first time you're gonna remove it. That's why it stick like dubabagi na blanket.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's only one other. There's only 3 clips. Why won't the back one remove more readily? Ah, that's what there is. I'm trying to push through there.
Okay.
Alright.
So that's one down.
Yeah. And the next one is it's this one. That one. Right. Yeah. Well, I popped that out.
Uh-huh.
You can see you can get one screw there, there's a screw there. I bloody dropped these, that's all. That's that there. And that one. The tutorial I saw.
So and then just price it and pop this all little ones.
Yeah,
It's like a plastic.
really easy. It's only taken us a week to get this far.
Oh.
It's rotating around that point, so it's
Ta-da. Right there. I'll take it.
well, that's it.
Ah.
Got no friends. Yeah, look. And I broke it too, I think.
Yeah. It's just a plastic. So that's what's inside here.
Oh,
Oh my gulay.
for fuck's sake.
Okay, I'm holding it. Just remove all those mechanism in there if you can.
You're supposed to be able to put it down in there. There we go.
Okay.
And end up stabbing myself here.
Okay.
Okay.
So it means you only take two screws.
Yeah.
Glass window and a handle. This is the thing that you're gonna encounter first. You need to remove the back cover. What you call it? It's a sticky bit there.
Crappy stuff, yeah. Yeah, where's that bloody...
Huh?
It's crap.
Okay,
what
that's the thing that fell down.
That's the thing you drop down. See, this is a thing that they reckon breaks off, but it didn't break off. Now, then where's the bloody... There must be something else down there. Because there's the screw, see?
Yeah, that belong this way.
Oh, no. It's in there.
I'm wondering why you're putting it outside.
Well, because I looked at the mark, see? But I think that's the mark from the door.
Yeah, okay. That's how it goes.
I couldn't be wrong. I'm perfect. Perfectly wrong. How the hell?
Do you want me to hold it?
Yeah, just hold it there so
Okay.
I can go and have a look on the other side
Alright.
to see. I don't know what holds it up there, you know?
Yeah, I think the thing that holding it there is the handle.
Hey?
Only the
No,
handle.
it just holds in there. Can you?
Yeah, I'm holding it. Yeah.
All right. So where's the handle?
Oh, wait there.
I've got it.
Alright. Got this handle. Hold this, and then I'm gonna hold it
Okay.
here.
You're holding it. Let me have this first.
Okay.
Okay. Is that what I've got to go into? Yes, that's what I've got to go into. I can't even see.
Good? Okay. I'm gonna put back the frame.
What was there? Was there a stud on there too, was there?
Just the plastic thing, the dark black one that we
Yeah,
removed.
but it's still a stud. It's just
Yep.
Yeah, where's the...
Ah, okay.
I'd imagine. except that,
Yeah, all right. I think that's the one.
yeah. We should just wipe this out. Or do down there. Is it?
Yeah, all right.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So just slide it somewhere here.
Yeah, I'm
I
just
think.
looking at what's there. Tell you what might be easier. You just wind the window down.
Okay, we just managed to put the window down. We
Yeah.
hook it there and then we just remove it back.
Just in case.
And then now, just in case you want to reach.
Just in case it's
Yeah.
easier to. Now, the difficult part here is we've got to. Okay. Yeah. Did you push that in there?
No, you did.
No, I pulled it out. Okay. Now we know that there's a stud there
Yep.
and there and there. So I guess there. So what I'll do, I'll put them all in first. What?
I just wanna laugh.
You shouldn't.
I will. Okay, you can put the screw here. And then another screw in there. Yep. So that's the only two screws.
Only two. If
Yeah.
you watch,
If you watch ours,
the tutorials, they'll tell you there's three or more.
yeah. Well, this is the back door. We
No.
don't know what's the front door
Same.
says.
Same.
Saying
Trust me,
you're not a doctor.
but I know these things. Oh, shit.
So this plug, I can handle this.
Please move.
Okay, that's it. Okay, you just pop it in there. Everything is pop, pop, pop. Do the black one first and then
Wow.
this white one, or either way, anything that can suits you. Then you need to connect the babag
Yeah.
so you can wind your window down and up. Just clip it on. Make sure it's in the right position.
Can only go one way.
Okay, that's it. Now everything is pop on. You don't need to screw it
Look, you
in,
see how that is?
but
They,
yeah.
You've got to go in like that. And then on the tutorials, they pull it out that way. I mean, it'll come eventually. But,
Yeah.
all
Well,
right.
now you have your back door accessible. What's that? Okay. All right. Piece a piece.
I don't feel like doing that next one now.
Okay, next one. You better watch out for the next video because we're gonna remove this one. There's another issue with this, and the handle is not catching And yeah, you need to open it from the inside.
So tell me,
Okay, ding ding for now.
one half a job complete.